Walang unity, kumbaga grupo, magkakahiwala, hindi magkakasama.
Tools and Force kasi for 2 wheels and 4 wheels. Pero literally and exclusively for Thai enthusiasts, Thai concept lang talaga yung mga builds na nandito ngayon.
First ever na nagawa dito sa Pilipinas. Magsama-sama ang mga Thai groups within one event.
Ito na mga bossing, nagsisimula na ulit kung paano nyo maita yung event, kung gaano kasaya.
Kumbaga, nagse-celebrate kami ng iisang kultura. May event kami ngayon na tinawag namin Tools and Force. Get together to ng motorcycles and cars na binuo namin for the past decade para sa Thai concept sa Pilipinas. Nagtulungan kami at na-gather up namin lahat ng mga tao within the community na first ever na nagawa dito sa Pilipinas. Magsama-sama ang mga Thai groups within one event. First time kasing nangyari tong community na to na yung 4 na grupo nagkasama-sama. Dati hindi natin akalain na magiging ganito, na reunite talaga lahat ng grupo. Sa larangan nito magkakasama na kami.
Impact niya, sobrang dumami na yung grupo na nagtayo ng Thai group dito sa Pinas. So para sa akin, napakalaking pinagkaiba nung noon saka ngayon.
Para talaga sa culture natin, sa industry natin ng Thai. Hindi lang tayo mga nasa taas eh. Sila nasa sakupan natin. Kahit nagkita-kita sila sa outside, in good relationship sila, no?
Madami pa kaming future plans na para sa community natin.
Panibago sa mata pag nakakita ka ng mga ganitong event. Hindi siya show, hindi siya yung yabangan, hindi mo siya, parang makikita mo yung pagkakaisa ng yung tinatawag na community. Go!
Champagne ain't a thing, I pops the bird. Things ain't been the same. Rain stains in my more than get wild in this mother trucker. Make you wanna get wild in this mother sucker. Please don't bring me down on another level. When you gonna be around trying to level with you? Oh yeah. And I ain't never felt cleaner. Steady walking around chateau, no visa. Make a call, tell them hurry with my cheese up. They all want the status quo, I told them get your peas up. Wild in this mother trucker. Make you wanna get wild in this mother sucker. Please don't bring me down on another level.
Nagre-request, gramping naman na. Ayan na.
Players, laglagan na mangyayari ha. Okay, para matira matibay. Sa mga pumunta, sa mga nagsakripisyo, sa ulan, sa baha, alam nyo naman na bumabagyo ngayon pero sobrang crowded pa din. Tyson Philippines, 17th Culture Philippines, at saka Thai Enthusiast Philippines. Maraming salamat. Maple Grove, maraming salamat. Very successful ang event.
Sa lahat ng nai-participate dito sa event na to, isang big shoutout sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Cannot be done, here to overcome. They can't turn me down, this too loud, still I'm one-on-one. Yes, still turn me down, you cannot. Locked on the spot, only gotten stronger cause I've been through a lot. Here to play my role, I'm not in the playing spots. And I'm down to run the play for everybody running blocks. Look, every move is B.I.G. Cell phone on D&D, locked in big time, 7 days of the week. If they snooze, let them sleep. Plan A is plan B. On the go, not even close. Keep the score, I'm out of reach. Who said it cannot be done? Here to overcome. They can't turn me down. This too loud, still I'm one-on-one.
THD Emirates, Tyson Philippines, 17th Culture, and also Thai Enthusiast Philippines.
Who said it cannot be done? Here to overcome. They can't turn me down. This too